Hello everybody! In the previous video, we took the first big step using SCISpaceAgent to create a complete scientific paper on gender violence. But an item on your hard drive doesn't do much good. The real question is, how do you publish it? Today, I'm going to show you the complete path without shortcuts or excuses. I will reveal to you what it is like if space not only gives you the article, but also finds you the best magazines to publish it, the conferences to present it, and here comes the best part. It generates a professional PowerPoint presentation in less than 60 seconds. If you have felt the frustration of good work that no one sees, this video is for you. On the card above and in the description, I leave you the previous video. In case you haven't seen it, let's get started. The first step is simple. Upload our article, click the click button and attach the PDF. Now comes the part that saves us hours of work. We will tell people the document I attached to you is an article on gender violence. I want to develop a complementary empirical research proposal. What do we collaborate with this? Not just a summary, but a validation and expansion of our ideas. Press send, the SciSpace Agent will analyze your document and click. The result is in English. No problems. We ask you please, I need the results in Spanish and ready in an instant. We have a complete analysis, findings, recommendations, methodology, limitations, and objectives of our article. And now, the moment I promised you the magic of generating a presentation, write this pro. Now I want you to generate a PowerPoint presentation about the article I attached to present at conferences. Send it. The agent works for you. And in minutes, it gives us the presentation file, download it, and open it. Look carefully. It not only creates slides, but also includes statistical graphs, a summary, and conclusions. Everything is ready, so you just have to customize it with your brand. Add transitions, themes, and finalize. But SciSpaceAgent is beyond a tool. It's a strategic partner. Let's assign it another task. Right? Search for Congress presentations for your research. Press submit, people will look for you, and here is a complete list of academic events in key areas. It not only gives you the Congress, but also the contacts, dates, characteristics of the presentations. and even a full estimated budget for travel, lodging, and registration. And finally, the crown jewel. How do you maximize the impact of your research with the LAST Pro? Right now I need a proposal for additional magazines. For PDF article submissions, the agent develops tailored publication strategies, versions for diverse magazines, international, regional, methodological, and provides shipping schedules and templates. SCISpaceAgent is not just a generator, it's your research companion, guiding from creation to publication, saving time, and connecting your work with the right audience efficiently. It is a tool that accompanies you throughout the research journey, from creation to publication. It saves you hours of work and gives you the tools to get your research to the right audience. If you want to take your academic productivity to another level, I recommend giving SciSpaceAgent a try. I leave you the link in the description. Now that you have seen the real potential of SciSpaceAgent, do you dare to use it and transform your way of investigating to gain access? You need the advanced plan, and I have a surprise for you. Use my discount code that I leave you in the video description to get 40% off. Don't wait any longer. In upcoming videos, I will show you many more tasks that you can do with the agent, web pages, infographics, theses, reports, and much more. What did you think of this power? Which of these features excites you most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss the next videos.